Welcome to EZICHEQ. Today we'll be covering lost or damaged labels. Occasionally, your label may get damaged or lost while on site. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the label and copy all previous info from the damaged or lost label onto the new one. This way, you'll have all the historic data of the damaged label copied across to the new one. Once you've logged in, you'll need to search up the item that the label was attached to. You can search it up from the list below, or if it's easier, you can use the map. Here is the site with the damaged label. I'll need to note down the label number, as this will be important later. But first, let's look at the information currently attached to this damaged label. I'm looking at the attachments, mainly the files and photos, as well as the checks completed. Next, we'll need to grab a brand new label and scan it. Instead of adding a new item to EZICHEQ, you'll need to click Replace an existing EZICHEQ label. You'll now see the new label number on top, and if you've copied the damaged label number, you can just paste it in the field below and click Reassign Label. You'll need to confirm that you're reassigning the label, and there'll be a summary of the geolocation and checks done displayed below. You now have a new label and label number, but it has all the history of the previous damaged or lost label. EZICHEQ, we make digital inspections easy.